Fadal Vertical Machining Center, model 2016L, serial number 9910325. Machine was new in 1999. We're going to run it for you. Machine has a 7,500 RPM spindle, BT40. You have a, right now he's running the Z-axis. You have 20-inch X, 16Y, and 28Z. And also the machine is equipped with a 4th axis rotary table, and the control is 4-axis capable. He ran the Z before, they just ran the Y. And the X. And there's your B, or A. So those are the 4 axes. Your table size is 29.5 by 16. We're running the spindle. 2,000 RPM. That's 4,000. 6,000 RPM. Okay, again, it's a 7,500 RPM spindle. So you've seen the X, Y, Z, and the A axes move. You saw the spindle operate. Now we're going to do a tool change. There you go. All right, you've seen it all. Hey, thank you for watching our video.